Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out one of the lowest price RV garage new builds in Lake Havasu. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2691 North Palo Verde Boulevard, north end of town. This represents one of the lowest priced new RV garage homes on the market right now. There's a duplicate one right next door that looks like they're just wrapping up. It's a little bit of a busier street, but it's pretty far up on Palo Verde, right down Palo Verde 2 Windsor launch ramp. You got a killer lake shot off the front here. Let me zoom in so you can see what it looks like. It's about what you see with the eye. So you can see the property line at the water boxes here. There could be a potential for maybe a little pony retaining wall at some point, so you have a little bit of site access. This one is 514.9. So you have another lot next door that looks like it's for sale. It actually looks like it might be two lots. But anyway, there'll be new homes next door. So you're a little bit of site access on this side of the house. All right, let's go take a look. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, new construction home. 1,476 square feet, listed for $514,900. Big, wide open living area, trowel down walls and ceilings, can lights. Nice kitchen with a big granite topped island. Looks like they upgraded the cabinets. Can lights in here as well with some pendant lights, vaulted ceilings. So again, this house is ready to be occupied. You have your indoor laundry and access to the garage off the kitchen as well. Do have some cabinets under the island, a little slider out to the backyard. This actually sits on your standard 10,000 square foot lot. So it is kind of a split floor plan. They're just on the same side of the house. So we're going to end up at the back of the house first. You have a little linen closet. And this would be your master. Tall vaulted ceiling, slider out to the backyard. So you have a master bath that has a granite top and dual sinks. Dual mirrors. You have your walk-in tiled shower. Toilet has its own pocket door. And there's also a little walk-in closet. So you have the first guest bedroom in the middle of the house. Kind of just your standard setup, vaulted ceiling, double slider closet doors. It does have a pretty cool lake shot out of this bedroom, but once they build something, I'm not sure how much of that you will retain. So back off the entry again, going back towards the front, you have a guest bath that has a granite top, big mirror, tall ceilings in here as well, and your tiled shower. So this does a Jack and Jill number with a pocket door into the second guest bedroom at the front of the house. Double closet doors on this one too. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry and a little pantry. Both have pocket doors. And then your indoor laundry and access to the garage. So So you've got a pretty decent garage setup. It has two ingress-egress doors. There's one at the front entry and then the one off the kitchen. You have a 2-car side that's 22 feet deep, 8-foot insulated door. There's the other man door to the entry hallway. So here's your soft water loop, hot water heater, irrigation runs, etc. So you also have a nice 50-foot RV bay, 13.6-foot high door. Has a rear roll-up door as well, 16 feet wide at the door opening. So it looks like it does have a 50 amp, but I don't see a clean out. But at least you have power. I don't see any garage openers either. So, you know, it's always the little things that make the houses cheaper. All right, so you have a little back patio, nothing spectacular, but there's a lot of lot back here to put a pool in, even probably build a casita. That's what the roll-up rear door in the garage is for, is to get equipment back in here so you can do those kinds of things. I also don't see any pre-wire for any mini split AC units, but they are not difficult to install. They're just not pre-wired. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough over here on Palo Verde. Again, this one is now $514,900. Again, it does represent one of the lowest priced new RV garage homes on the market right now. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.